Hi my country people, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Two man wey dem suspect say wan rob pipo after dem don collect the person motorcycle don from dis life enter hellfire as mob for Makurdi, Benue State burn dem to death. News gather say the incident happen between 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock yesterday for Union area, Makurdi. Person wey witness dis matter tok say dem catch the suspect after the okada man shout "thief, thief" when two men dey try to rob im okada. Another person wey witness the matter tok say according to the okada man, e pick the two suspects as passenger from Katsina Ala Street for Makurdi town going to Union. As dem reach Union, dem direct am go another street wey im follow. Because time don dey go, the okada man tell dem make dem give am im money make e dey go back. Dem tell am say dem no get money, na when e carry dem reach house dem go see money give am. As the okada man vex wan go back, na im dem grab am say make e drop okada key. When e refuse to drop the okada key, struggle start. Na there the okada man begin dey shout "thief, thief." Dis eyewitness tok say no be today dem start to dey experience okada thief thief, and na everyday the problem dey increase for Makurdi and the environment. E say members of the community, especially the youth, don vow say anybody wey dem catch no go go. That's why dis youth come out plenty pursue dis thief and catch dem before dem go get chance escape. When reporter contact the tok person for police, SP Catherine Anene, she confirm say true she receive the report and dem don send some policemen make dem go find out wetin happen gangan before she come warn the public make dem no dey take law into their hands, make dem report any issue like that to law enforcement agencies for necessary action. Further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. The Ondo State chapter of All Progressives Congress (APC) go soon begin their governorship primary wey dem go take elect the candidate wey go contest for the governorship election wey wan shele for November 16. The primary election committee where dem choose Kogi State Governor Usman Ododo as leader tok am say the primary go go smoothly without any mago-mago. As at the time reporters dey file dis report, all of dem dey inside one hotel for Akure dey do meeting to prepare for the poll. All the election materials and officials dey around the hotel dey wait for the committee to begin distribute the materials. The secretary of the committee, Senator Ovie Omoagege, tell journalists say the committee no get bias mind, dem just wan make sure say the election go well. E say voting go start between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. and stop by 2 p.m. E say dem wan make sure say after 8 years tenure, APC go start another 8 years. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. Lagos State government don go after illegal estate development around Epe within the state. Na Commissioner for Physical Planning and Urban Development, Oluyinka Olumide, tok dis one come outside inside statement for today. E say im lead special joint exercise on Thursday and Friday based on the directive from State Executive Council. Some of the area where dem deal with dem include Alaro City, Okorisan, Igbodu, Molajoye, Shala, Ketu and Epe. Olumide say dem also serve dem notice for Patriot Bay Estate, Smart City Estate, The Legend and Hilton Royal Gardens as dem direct those estate developers make dem go perfect their documents. Olumide say no developer get right to develop estate without collecting layout approval, planning permits and fencing permits. Commissioner say dis document dey very important so that dem go build house wey go sweet to live, sustain with good environment. Further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. One man don take fire burn himself inside the park wey dey opposite courthouse for New York when case wey on top criminal offence wey concern former President Donald Trump dey go on for US. Report from New York Times and CNN tok am come outside say the man pour liquid for im body come put light. People wey dey around am scream and try to stop am. E no tey wey police pipo come quench the light. After that, dem carry the man inside ambulance drive am comot. Up to now, nobody fit say wetin make the man do dat kind thing. Further tori dey inside the Nation newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.